haircut. Very, very difficult, and it's very, very sweet. Once you know how to barb children haircut, how to blend children haircut, you are a professional, you are good to go. All these afro, all these rancor that we have been barbing, all those ones, they are the simplest haircut. People don't know that children haircut and skin punk and total skin, they are the most difficult hairstyles in this world. But a lot of people think that is all this total fade, side cut, afro, round cut, all those ones, galas, no, and tabreka, no, all those ones, they are simple, because it's children haircut that will give you the basis, that make you to understand how to blend, because you blend the hair hard. Children haircut is very, very difficult to see the way I'm doing it, right? You are seeing it. Remember, all this one is normal thing that I normally do. Measure it very well. Follow it accordingly. Follow the way it grows. Understand, guys? If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget, you know what you do. Give us a thumbs up. You know what annoys me? Once you watch a video and you find something interesting, just liking the video will not remove your data. It will not remove your money in the bank. It will not cost you anything. You only helping the person that is also teaching you. The only us we have it when we were small, so it's not a new thing. So take your time. See how this child is disturbing. That is how they normally do. So you have to take your time. Don't rush it. Take your time so that you not injure him or her. Understand? Take your time. Make sure the blades are well set. You know they normally disturb a lot. So watch what I'm doing. Can you see, guys? Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. And make sure you are brushing down the hair. Understand, guys? So you have to, if you cannot barb children's haircut, then you cannot be a good barber, because you will not have patience. But children's haircut will make you to be patient in life. Understand? It will make you to be patient while barbing. Understand, guys? So take your time, do what you want to do, don't rush it. If they are crying, you pet them, make sure that they are okay, because if they are crying and they are shaking their head, disturbing, you might end up cutting their skin. Understand? You might end up injuring them. Understand? So take your time, take them like your own pikin, like your own child, so that they will feel comfortable, and before you know it, you just barb what you want to barb. Understand, guys? So you can see how it is disturbing. So it's in their nature. So you have to bear it, focus within their nature. So after you have seen it finish, you know he's a kid now, he's a student as well. So you give him a brush punk. Understand, guys? You give him a brush punk. Let's say to do a brush punk. Understand? Let's say to do a brush punk. Make it to be a brush punk. They are beating him, and they can be able to brush the hair. Understand? So after you have skin the hair finish, you put it on what? You put it on low cut. Bring the gel down, put it on low cut. What do I'm barbing it? Can you see, guys? You put it on low cut. Don't forget that where you barb it again. Anywhere you barb it again. Don't forget, guys. You see how smooth it's getting? Can you see it? And make sure you are brushing the hair, so we can see it's disturbing, is in their nature, so you have to bear it. Don't forget to invite others to come and subscribe to this channel and become part of this family. You are going to learn any hairstyle you want me to barb. Comment it in the comment section. I will do it. Barbing is very, very sweet. It's not hard, so don't let anyone to deceive you that barbing is hard. So after you have bring it down finish, now you see where the difficult part is. Now you have to clear this line, you blend it. Some persons, after they blend the hair finish, you still see line. So that's why you have to take time. Understand? You have to take your time to do, so that the line will remove, because children haircuts, like I said, is very, very good. Then you turn your clipper like this. Watch what I'm doing. You blend the hair like this. Watch it. You blend it like this. Watch how my hand is moving. What do I'm holding the clipper? I don't hold the clipper like this. If you hold it like this, to create another line, so you have to hold it like this. and you are brushing it. Make sure you are brushing it. Make sure you are brushing it. Put your hand inside. Make sure you are brushing it. Understand, guys? Make sure you are brushing the hair. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch the way I'm holding the clipper, guys. You know, I'm doing it raw, practical, so that we understand this. A lot of us don't know how to barb children hair cut. The same thing I do for you is the same thing I will do for this side. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch the way I'm holding the clipper. Like I said, if I hold it like this, it will create another line. So you will blend it like this. Watch how my hand is moving. So after you have created the blending shape finish, and you see that it's smooth, and you see that the shape is fine, then you can put it on what? You can put it on semi-low cut in between. To clean the line. To clean the line. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You put it like this to clean the line. Can you see that the line is going up? Can you see it? Now I set it on semi-low cut in between the small blade and the bigger blade. You put it in between, like the middle. It will be in the middle. You can see there is space here. So after you have blended it finish, you put it on skin. You complete it to the skin. Then you do the finishing touches so that the line will remove very well. You understand, guys? So if you are learning something, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Keep your hair like this. Understand, guys? And now if you watch, you see here is not well blended. Watch how my hand, I'm holding the clipper. Watch the way I'm bringing it back. Watch the way I'm bringing it back. Can you see it? So after that, make sure you barb the hair front again. Understand, guys? You barb it front again. You bring it front. Make sure that it's under what? Low cut. You suppose know what I'm doing here now. Make sure it's under what? It's under low cut. You bring it front again. To smoothen it very well. To make it to look very, very nice. Understand, guys? So watch it very well. So after you have bring it front again, I see that maybe any place is not well blended, then you do the finishing touches. Are you understand something, guys? Make sure you are learning something. Watch very well. Don't say that the video is too long. You will not watch. Watch it to know this thing now, so that you can barb your child at home. Even when they are back from school, you can barb them. Can you see it, guys? Make sure you have time. That's why I told you that children hair cut, the blending is very, very difficult. Most especially those ones that have strong heads. To blend it is very, very difficult. You have to take your time, exercise patience. Understand, guys? So after this one now it's very smooth now. Now it's smooth. Can you see it now? It's very, very smooth now. So the next thing to do now is to shape the hair. Before you shape the hair, make sure you take it up like this. Make sure you take it up like this to blend to make anywhere that does not grow very well to run with the other side. That's what I'm doing. So after that, the next thing you need to do now is to what? Is to shape it. So guys, hope you are learning something, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, give us a thumbs up, share this video, let others to learn. Understand? So I've been teaching on afro and adult haircut. This is how to barb children's haircut for those that have been asking me to do it. So after that, the next thing you need to do now is to shape it. You know, when shaping hair, make sure the blade are well joined. Okay, let me show you very well. Look at it. You have to make it to stop here and to stop here. Stop here and to stop here. So you hold it very well. Remember, I told you that they always stop. Take your time. Watch what I'm doing. Hey guys. Barbing is all about patience. It's all about calculation. Understand? So take your time. Sorry, sorry. So make sure you take your time, because if you not take your time, as you are disturbing, sorry, the fly is disturbing, I have to wait. Take your time so that you will not give them a cut, you will not injure them. Take your time. You see what I'm doing? Can you see it, guys? It's fine, right? So this is how to barb children haircuts. This is how to barb children punk. Can you see it now? So this is it. Don't forget, we remain high universal cut. We do it practically here. We also do it theoretically here. Everything we do here is theory and practical. As I'm saying it, I'm working on it. You are seeing it. So if you understand this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's not easy.